Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all kinds of makeup content, especially eyeshadow tutorials. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe. I created this dramatic pink cut crease eye look using the Modern Renaissance Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this palette and we're just gonna jump right into it. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Buon Fresco. It's like this pale lilac pink shade. It's almost like a satin shimmery, but not like shimmery. It's just like a satiny, unique shade. And with a Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm gonna blend this into my crease area, blending this all over. This is a nice, like, cool tone, mauve-y, purpley pink shade. I really haven't used my Modern Renaissance palette in a very long time, so I'm super excited to be creating a look with this palette. When I got this palette, I was super inspired and so excited to use it, and I honestly have those feelings all over again. I mean, my palette is super old, but as you can tell, all these shades blend out so nicely. So pigmented. So blending out Buon Fresco, I have this very cool tone, purpley blended crease. That same brush, kind of like gray tone brown. You can see that, warm taupe. Taking warm taupe on a Sigma E40 blending brush, tapping off the excess. I'm then gonna just go in just a little bit lower with that shade. And it's coming out very gray, like a gray brown, cool for sure. I'm just gonna blend that into the crease, rocking back and forth here. And I absolutely love my Sigma brushes. Using them since college, wash them, and they're still amazing quality. ColourPop, Sigma, and the Morphe Ariel brushes are my go-to always. Alright, I like how that's turning out. It's like a very cool tone purpley crease now, you know? It's a little patchy up in here, but I think that's from my brush. I don't think that's from, like, because all this isn't patchy, so. Alright. On a Ariel A29 brush like this, Viatine Red. It's like a pink matte shade. It's right next to the taupe shade. Matte purpley pink shade. Tapping off the excess, and I'm just gonna put that into the outer half here. Rocking my brush back and forth like that. And I can easily see that pink purple shade shining through. It's so pretty. And then I'm just gonna take that down here as well. Just keeping it on the outer. Sometimes I bring my darkest shade on the outer V in too far, so I just really want to make sure this one stays outside here. And then dragging it in. So I have this nice purpley outer V. Just dragging it in. I'm gonna go back in with some more. It's very pretty, this purple shade, you know? Kind of surprised me. I didn't really know how I was gonna feel about this shade once I went in with it, but I actually really do like it. So keeping it low here in my crease and in my outer V, just carving out this really nice defined area. And just really take your time here, because So I want it to be like pigmented but blended. And of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills formula is just so insanely good. And so I just absolutely love this. And look how well blended that is. Like, it's really nice. I'm gonna get a little crazy here, and I'm gonna cut my crease. A19 concealer brush. Taking NARS concealer in the shade 2.2. I'm gonna get some on my brush. I'm going to cut my crease here. And I am bringing this up pretty high, making it pretty round. And I'm just gonna stop about halfway there, just past my iris, or just past my black hole. And then I'm just gonna soften up. On the other side of that brush, I get it wet with some setting spray. This is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I am literally like almost out of this stuff. I love it so much. So I'm gonna get this wet. Burmer, right there. It's like a shimmery pink shade. And I'm going to pat that on. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like this nude shimmery pink shade. I'm then gonna go in with that L'Oreal A29. I'll go back in with Vietnam red. Vietnam red? I don't know. And I'm gonna pat that in right here towards the edge where they meet, creating this nice pink area here. See that? And then just bringing up into the crease. Just like that. So it looks a little purple out here, and then it's like pink right on the shimmer. And while I have this brush, I'm just going to take the same Vietnam red, and I'm just going to blend that into my bottom lash line here. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. This is the Morphe M507. And I'm going to go with that dark brown Cypress Umber up here in the corner. And I'm going to blend that into my outer lower V. Testing out that fallout because I do not want that on my chin. A nice smoky area. Okay, so you can see it's like white, vibrant shimmer, pink, and then this smokiness out here. I'm also going to take a little bit of this and just go into my outer lower lash line. And I'm going to go back in with the Vietnam red and just touch that here again. Kind of bringing it over here into the center. This is definitely a dramatic look. Small detailing brush and go with the shade Tempura. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner here. And also on my brow bone. I'm going to take some black Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. I'm going to tightline my bottom lash line and my upper lash line. I'm going to apply some Maybelline mascara and some wispy lashes. So when my mascara is drying, I'm going to take some burnt orange on a Sigma E40. I just want to blend out the edges a little bit. They're looking a little harsh. They want everything to flow nicely. So I think the orange would really like warm them up and just make sure the edges are nice and blended. I'm doing this very softly, like barely even touching it, and I love the way this is looking now. At first, I was really like, what the hell is up with this look? Why isn't it flowing? And that's why. So much better. So the edges are finally blending in there. I love creating dramatic looks like this, but they are hard to like not look crazy, you know? So I'm just taking that burnt orange shade and blending out a little bit of the pink down here. It's looking really nice actually with this orange. And that completes this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.